guys, thanks for tuning in to Florida Drive-By. June 21st, 2016. I-75 going southbound. Oh, it's about 89 degrees in southern Florida right now. I hope everybody's doing great. A few things to talk about today. Today's conversation is going to be about the AR. Why not? Recently, I've been doing some stuff with ARs, AR-15 platform. I really like the AR-15 platform. And so everything, the parts are all interchangeable. It's really nice. But I guess the topic today, today's Florida Drive-By at 11:38 in the morning on a Tuesday, is going to be AR pistol or AR-15 carbine, which means full size. We know the pistols, anyone that's going to be less than 16 inches. Pistol, of course, you know, you could go 10 inches, 7 inches, very small. But don't forget, that is a lot of power. You get 30 or 100 rounds of 5.56 in a pistol, which is pretty nice. So you have to decide which one. Both would be good. What I'm going to do, I have an AR-15 that I bought. It's a carbine, mid-length, 16-inch barrel, and I'm thinking of doing, I was going to sell it and trade it for another gun, for a pistol, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do is build a pistol. And the parts that I have on my carbine now, because it's aluminum upper and lower, I'm going to use that for my pistol, and I'm going to change out and buy a receiver, an upper and a lower, and I'm going to build out an AR-15. There's all this dirt hitting my windows from the trucks in front of us, so I'm going to slow down. Actually, it might be from that blue truck. Let me get another lane past this crap. We'll get done it all up with that dirt. Probably want to go over to the next lane. Still got the dirt. Yeah, I gotta get past these damn trucks over here. You can hear the dirt. It's coming from me from that big truck way up front. See all the shit falling out. I'll try to get by that stupid thing. But it does look like we're gonna get by him. He's going pretty fast. So we'll just get back in here in the crowd. Maybe someone will be gone. You can hear it. Bang the shit out of my paint too. But anyway, yeah. So, but let's go back to somebody if they're first going to buy something and they're not going to build, you know, a pistol. AR pistols are nice. No blinker. See, again, there should be no blinker drive-by. ARs are nice. They're great guns. The pistols are great. They're a little smaller because of ATF regulations. You can't really have a stock on it. You can have like a stock where the piston in the back is, but it can't be extendable or collapsible. It's just got to be, you know, go in there and be the length of the piston tube. And the barrel can be, you know, as short as you want because it's a pistol. And then everything else is pretty much the same, upper and lower. You can really do a lot, so that's probably what I'll do. Is I'll take my lower and upper from my current AR and build out a pistol, and then I'm going to change it out. I'll probably put a new hand guard on it and stuff like that, so I'm going to have to see. I don't know what would be more economical to do. Start with a fresh build, just, you know, from square one, just build a whole AR, or trade mine. I got a guy that wants to trade my AR for his AR-15 pistol. It's a spikes with a splintered upper. So I might nickel boron bolt. So I might do that and then just build the AR. Because I kind of like the pistol. Kind of neat. They're small. And they're really high capacity. And basically, the pistol is going to take the same kind of lower than a carbine. So I probably will do that. Even though my upper and lower is aluminum, but I I'm going to build one anyway, so I'll have to decide what I'm going to do, because I don't want to have an extra barrel and all that. I'll probably replace the barrel and everything, but I'm going to do it slowly. So I'll have to see exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. But thanks a lot tuning in, and give me your opinion, AR pistol or AR carbine. What would be more, what's a better one to have? Thanks a lot for tuning in and have a great day. Bye-bye.